Big up Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. 100%. Alright? Now, we got, what, 55%. We got 500 people watching the video. Come on, guys. Like the video, and share some love. Share some love in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Alright, my Instagram and my Facebook, please subscribe to the YouTube channel Chef Ricardo Cooking, alright? Alright, now is a drink which I'm going to make tonight for you guys, alright? It's a brand new recipe from Chef Ricardo, and to be honest, I decided I want to share this and an amazing recipe with you tonight. We got another recipe. This is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Lavender Dream. Very good for you. Alright, especially in the summer. A lot of people like to sit in the back garden and have a cup of drink, something nicely. This is coming for you. Alright, Lavender Dream. It's beautiful. Alright, now the way how you make this one. Alright. Here it is. This is how it look. Right here. It's beautiful. You can get this on the Caribbean website. Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to make this one. It's a beautiful one. Alright, but I want to make this one first before I jump into anything else. So what you want to do, you want to get, you can't make it too strong, just want to get a teaspoon, put it straight inside a glass, just a little bit more. It's beautiful and lovely. Here it is. This one is on the Caribbean Fusion website. Alright, you can get this one to buy. The link will be in the description box. Alright, check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website and share some love to your black community business. Alright guys, it's a beautiful one, and to be honest, definitely you guys will love this. Alright, see that? Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Now, what you want to do is pour some hot water. Oh my God. Just like that. What I'm going to do next is cover it and leave it for it to steam by itself right there. You want to drink this. Wow. It is summer, and a lot of people like to sit in the back garden and chilling, and you know what I mean, enjoy a nice lovely glass of this right here. Alright, you can use slightly little bit of brown sugar, organic honey, or you sweeten for a person who doesn't like any sweetened stuff. Alright, this come in handy for you. Now the star honest, what we're going to do right now, alright, this is what we're going to jump into right now. These are the starting right here. This is very good for you. Alright guys, you see what they look like? Is a spice. Alright, and to be honest, a lot of Asian people like to use this, and a lot of Chinese like to use this, but I heard if like men and all these things, very good for men to drink, because you know men have a kind of different kind of sickness from everyone. Someone, you know what I mean, of different kind of sickness. So but this one is very good. Alright, so what you can do your own research on it. Alright, so it coming in a little bit of in a container like this, and you can get it into your local shop or your supermarket to buy. Alright, so now go to your local shop or your supermarket and get this little star right here. And it's, to be honest with you, it's even good in A and C, so it's have a lot of health benefit, to be honest with you guys. Alright, and as I always preach to you, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse or a dentist or physio or nothing like that. If you do your research, all of these things been using over the last 200,000 years, and a lot of Chinese like to use this in their cooking, and a lot of Chinese like to use this in different kind of stuff, and a lot of people like to use this when they're making certain kind of things at home. A lot of people use it for spice, but it's not only for that purpose, it's also very good for making a lovely cup of tea and drink. It have a lot of health benefit, and I will encourage you guys to go to the shop, your supermarket, buy this thing right here and use it at home and make yourself a nice lovely cup of tea. Now let's jump into some business. It's business time. Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. The Lavender Dream Tea is an amazing. Here it is, floating like a river out at sea. All right, now what you want to do is get a nice lovely piece of a ginger right here, just like this piece of a ginger, and you just want to simply remove the skin from the ginger. All right, remove the skin from the ginger. You guys can see what I'm doing right here. So you want to remove the skin from the ginger, and then what you want to do, you want to get your grater. This side of the grater, I like to use this side. It's very good to use this side, the grater. Okay, all right. Now I'm just gonna get roughly about a teaspoon of the ginger. Right, now I'm gonna be using 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 of the star anise right here inside of it. All right, then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put a nice lovely teaspoon of ginger inside of it. All right, that's a teaspoon of ginger. And secondly, I'm going to add some hot water, roughly 1 cup of hot water. I'm going to make it a little bit stronger as I'm going to drink this one. So once you do that, then what you're going to do, you're going to cover it and leave it for a few minutes. All right. But to be honest with you guys, this drink right here, it have so much health benefit. 100%. It is very good in A and C, and it's very good, and you have antiseptic inside of it also, which is very good for you when you drink this. The best time to drink this is like when you're going to your bed at night. You can drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's another way you can also drink it. But I'm just doing it this kind of way by drying it. What you can do, you can take it to the boil by putting a medium-sized pot on the stove and boil it for a few minutes. You can do it that kind of way, but I'm just doing it this way because it's more easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. But you can take it to the boil, and what you can do, drink it first thing in the morning or at night before you go to your bed. Just like the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice Lavender Dream, you can get this one on their website. And also, if you use Chef Ricardo, you get a 20%. You use my code, you get a 20% Chef Ricardo. All right, it's a beautiful Lavender Dream drink for you to have. It got sorrel in it. You got the Lavender Dream. You got a lot of stuff inside of it, and you got it's caffeine free too, guys. So basically, it's just really one of those things where you want to try and have in your kitchen to make a nice lovely lavender dream tea in the morning. All right, as you can see, it's beautiful, fantastic. You got all different kind, and it's labeled out perfectly. So check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website and share some love with the family over there. All right, now this one, as you can see, all right, it is beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. All right, now let me see what going on the live. All right, let me see what's going on the live. We got a few chefs on the live. Chef Matt, big up yourself. We got Julie in the kitchen. Yeah, Teacher P, thank you so much. Oh, Teacher P, long time I don't see you. Big up Teacher P, a big supporter of Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Always supporting Chef Ricardo channel all the time. All right, guys. But as you can see, it is amazing, fantastic, lovely, and delicious. I would encourage you guys to give this a try at home. One of the best in the world you could ever do from Chef Ricardo. All right, it's beautiful. All right, on the Instagram, big up yourself, guys, and thank you so much for your support and for your time watching the video at the moment. Tonight is not a time where you want to big up, it's just a video I want to do to show you exactly how to make this an amazing drink. All right, now let's take a good look over here. All right, beautiful one. Now let's taste it right here. Oh man, that is amazing. Ah, very hot. That is lovely. It's beautiful. Now I'm going to drink this one right here. All right, I'm going to drink this right now. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 2 more to start and put it straight back into the water, and we're going to drink this. All right. It's fantastic and amazing, guys. Honestly, 100%. Beautiful. Now, let's put this aside. That one is very hot. Get a few more stars and put it into the water and leave it for it to go and sweat. Beautiful drink for you guys to have at home. All right. So you got some more ginger inside of it. All right. Then what you want to do, you want to just cover it for a few minutes and leave it for it to go and steam and sweat. That is fantastic. It's very hot, guys. We got the ginger, also no lemon tonight. All right. It's a beautiful drink, and I will encourage you guys to have this one at home. Now I'm going to drink this one before I go to my bed tonight. All right. Yeah, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo, and I know you guys definitely will love this and an amazing drink. All right. Now, on my, as I say,